Hello guys, so how are you all? Hope you all are fine. In this video I am talking about the match number 9th, which is Big Bash League, which is playing between Perth Scorchers versus Hobart Hurricanes. So guys, I will tell you in this video about the key players, match venue, pre-lineup teams and head-to-head stats about both of team and playing 11. So stay tuned. So first of all, we will talk this match in playing in Wednesday on 20th December in 1:45 p.m. in Indian Standard Time. So let's talk about the venue and pitch report. So first of all, if we talk about the pitch reports, so this match is playing in Perth Stadium in Australia. If you talk about the pitch conditions, so this is totally bowling pitch. A total 7th match has been played in this venue, in which team is batting first has won 2 matches and which team bowling first has won 5 matches in this venue. So if you talk about the average score is 133 in this venue, and bowling first after winning the toss would be a right decision in this venue according to pitch behavior. So if you talk about the weather report, weather is almost normal in this venue. There is no chance of raining. Let's move ahead and talk about the recent form of both of teams. If you look in points tables, so Perth Scorcher played 2 matches where he won 1 matches and 1 match he is not play. And if you talk about the Hobart Hurricanes, he played 1 match and they faced loss in their first match. So guys, let's move ahead and talk about the possible playing 11 of both of teams of Perth Scorchers and Hobart Hurricanes. Let's move ahead and talk about the Perth Scorcher possible playing 11. So as Eskenazi and Cooper Connolly probably open the inning, Aaron Hardy come on first down and he is the good choice of captain and vice captains. Josh Inglis, Ash Turner, Lurie Evans and Nick Hobson will probably come on middle order, handle middle order, and Hamish McMahon, Andrew Tye, Jason Bendrop and Jay Richardson will handle the pacing attack from the Perth Scorchers teams. Let's move ahead and talk about the Hobart Hurricanes. Matthew Wade and Caleb Jewell will probably open the inning. Ben McDermott, same head and Coley Anderson will handle the middle order from the Hobart Hurricanes. Chris Jordan, Nathan is Riley Meredith and Peter Harzgolu will handle the pacing attack from the Hobart Hurricanes, and Patrick Bowley will handle the spinning attack from the Hobart Hurricanes. Guys, let's talk about the fantasy tips which is very beneficial for your fantasy teams. So looking by the pitch behavior, picking top order batsman will be crucial here. So you can pick top order batsman also, and death over bowlers are always excellent wicket taker. So you can also pick death over bowlers from both of teams, and pacer play major role in this venue. As I said, according to pitch behavior, pacer are very, this is total bowling pitch, so that's why pacer are play major role in this venue. So pick pacer in your fantasy team. If you talk about the wicket keeping section, Matthew Wade and Ben McDermott are great choice from wicket keeping sections. You can pick Matthew Wade because he's come on first round, so he can also a good T20I captain. So that's why please pick Matthew Wade and in your fantasy teams. So guys, let's move ahead and talk about the Polysport pre-lineup fantasy teams. In wicket keeping sections, I am picking Josh Inglis and McDermott. You can also pick Matthew Wade to replace Josh Inglis. From the batting sections, I am picking Caleb Jewels and Stephen Eskenazi. From the all-rounder sections, I am picking Coley Anderson, Aaron Hardy and Cooper Connell. And in bowling sections, I am picking Nathaniel Riley Meredith, Jason Bandrop and Jay Richardson. I am picking 4 bowlers from the bowling section. Guys, this is my pre-lineup where my captain choice is Aaron Hardy and vice captain is Colin Anderson. You can also pick as a captain and vice captain choice from Jay Richardson and Jason Bandrop is also good choice for captain and vice captain. Guys, thank you. Meet you in next video. Bye bye and take care.